Hello everyone and welcome back to Zuri Creates. This week we're doing something a little new, our first unboxing. In case you didn't know, I love Korean dramas and I love K-pop. And I have been a fan since Big Bang and 2PM. And I love Korean dramas like Goblin and Descendants of the Sun. So this is something that I think you are going to like if that is something that you're into. I recently decided I wanted to pick up Korean and start learning Korean. And so we are unboxing Learn Korean with BTS. So I found this on Amazon and y'all, when I say I'm excited, I am beyond excited. So this is the packaging. I have not opened it. It is still the plastic on it. And so you all are going to see in real time with me what is actually in this box. And so you'll see there's like a little bit of foiling there, holographic. It says it comes with 4 books, 1 speaking pen. We'll talk about that in a bit. 1 micro USB cable, 1 study note, and 2 keyboard sticker sheets. So we are going to open this up. Wow, so exciting. So I don't want to tear the box because I'm probably going to want to keep it. So let's see. There we go. Okay. What? Okay, totally could use this in my planner. And it's like, I don't know what kind of feel that is. It feels kind of velvety. But I could totally see myself folding this and doing something with this in my planner. So here is the speaking pen. And here are our books. And okay. I am guessing these are our keyboard. Nope. This is just insert. This is also insert. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 books. Then we have study note, and we have keyboard stickers that have Hangul on them. So, and it has, we even have a little BTS. So that's super cute. I can put that on my keyboard. And then the study note is, it's a notebook. It's a notebook. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it has these cute pages. The chibi BTS at the bottom here. It's like a pink paper. Let's see. It feels like just standard paper. Nothing too fancy. And we have a code to take a survey. And this must correspond to the lessons that are in the book. 안녕하세요. 저는 보라예요. My Korean is not good in any way, but I think that's what those letters are. And I think it's just hello, my name is Bora. So you're supposed to be able to use this pen to read along on the pages of the book. And it comes with a cable. My guess is I'm not going to be able to demo this right now because it's probably needs to be charged. Also, you see, I haven't read a single thing of instructions. This is, yeah. My husband would say I should read instructions, but I see that this is for this to charge, and this probably has to charge. And so we will hold off with that. And so this is book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4. So we get we get a message from BTS. We get some remarks. It talks through how the book works. You get to learn Hangul. You get to practice. And so my understanding is that you have the pen and it has Korean, English, and you would do that and it would like read. I probably should find the instructions. But anywho, and I also heard that as you read through the book and you read the pages, the BTS members will pop up and they'll have little messages throughout, but you have to find them. So I'm super excited to get into this. We'll see how long this lasts if I make it far. I think if you are interested in learning Korean and you are also into K-pop, and specifically if you like BTS, especially if you like BTS, this could be a super great book to start your learning journey. Maybe I'll actually read some instructions and learn how to use the pen and oh. What? Did you all hear that? Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's see.
한국어 English 일본어 Español.
Y'all. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so we're gonna have to read the book to figure out like when you should be using these, but you...
이, 오, 위,
에,
아, 어, 오,
오, 오,
오.
오. That is super cool. And it also has a headphone jack so that you could plug in your headphones, and if you wanted to hear this to yourself so that you could study and don't disturb others, then you could use this. But does it work on the English?
Hangul es el alfabeto coreano. El gran rey Sejong de la dinastía Joseon de
It's in
Corea
Spanish.
inventó Hangul es el alfabeto coreano. El gran rey Sejong, English. Hangul, the Korean alphabet system, was created and promulgated in 1443 by Sejong the Great, the fourth king of the Joseon dynasty. 한국어. 한글은 한국어의 문자 체계이다. 조선의 한글 배우기.
한글 배우기.
한글 배우기.
Wow. This is super cool. We're going to turn this off. Okay, that is super awesome. That's a super awesome feature. Okay, so I think it was on sale for like $35 when I got it off Amazon. So I will write this in the description below so that you could go and find this yourself if you're interested. Also, I did not get paid for this. No pay at all. I just happen to really love K-pop and Korean, and so something that I'm trying out. But so I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. Maybe I'll do some more. Let me know if there's other things you want me to try. But other than that, I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.